struggling how to say something because you're trying to say it in a way that's going to be right to other people. It's going to be like the pretty way to say it. It's going to be the Instagram, Pinterest way to say it versus how you actually want to say it. And you're not confident that how you deliver it is going to be well received because you haven't figured out how to like dress it up. What I want you to do is word vomit out the like direct way to say it and then go, is that true? Does that match how I want to be seen by other people? Is that like on brand for me? And well, like, does it respect my audience? You can work with that. But when you are focusing from a place of how do I use the pretty words, the buzzwords, what other people are using words, it's no wonder your message is getting lost because it's just generic and it's like it's being swept away with the tide. So
Right.
your first step is to start speaking like not to your audience this way, but to your, like when you talk about your stuff and you're brainstorming, start being crass and direct. And my favorite activity is goes, if I were 3 margaritas deep, how would I explain it right now? That like, that's an, like, I'll think about that. Or you might go, okay, if I was explaining this to someone not in my industry, how would I explain it?